Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Cooking with Elissa. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for your love and support. Today I will be making a delicious sweet and sour tamarind dipping sauce, which we normally eat it with fried fishes and other seafood. In Cambodian traditional cooking, there's three main sauces that we normally make. I would say the first one, rated number 1, would be the prahok sauce. The second one would be the koh kong sauce. And then the third one would be this sweet and sour tamarind dipping sauce that we'll be making today. And if you want to learn how to make this, please continue watching. Thank you. Okay, you will need tamarind seedless. You can use any brand. I just happen to have this brand right here. And I will be using half a cup. You will need some fish sauce, sugar, chili, lemon or lime, garlic, shallots, and I'll be using catfish. This is already cleaned and cut from the store, and I will use this tempura to mix with my fried fish. And then some side dish condiments. I have cucumbers, cabbage, and different kind of mints. First, we are going to start by making our sauce. In the saucepan, add 2 cups of water, and you want to turn your heat on high, of course, and then add the fish sauce, add the tamarind seedless, and then the sugar. I'm using 1 cup because I'm making a lot of sauce, and if you have extra, you can always store it in a jar and it lasts you for a couple of months. And then we're going to cook that until it comes to a boil. And then when it comes to a boil, you're going to reduce the heat to medium low, and we're going to cook it until the sauce gets thickened. While we're waiting on the tamarind sauce come to a boil, we are going to prepare our catfish. This fish is already clean and cut from the store already. Now all I need to do is mix it with this tempura batter. I like to use this one because I already have garlic and pepper seasoned in it already. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to give it a nice little bit flavor to the fish, and then mix it well. Then we are going to add 1 cup of the tempura batter. The tempura batter will make the fish nice and crispy on the outside, and also it absorbs the liquid, and when you fry it, your fish doesn't pop as much. Before we start frying the fish, we're going to check up on our sauce, and we want to make sure it doesn't overflow to the stove. And you want to cook this until the sauce thickens, and just kind of lower down your heat to medium low or so. Okay, we're ready to fry the fish. So I have my heat on medium. You don't want it too high because the oil is gonna splash on you. And you want to use a pan because it's nice and round and it gives more space. And then just add something like a screen protector to protect from the oil splashing. And we're going to cook this fish about 7 minutes on each side, and then just go ahead and check on the sauce just to make sure it doesn't overflow. Okay. And after 7 minutes, go ahead and flip the fish, and then let it cook for another 7 to 8 minutes. So our sauce kind of thickened a little bit. Most of the liquid have evaporated. Now we're going to add a little bit of lemon juice just to give it a nice citrus taste to the sauce. After you squeeze in the lemon juice, let the sauce cook for another 5 minutes or so. Okay, now the catfish is cooked. Just remove it and put it in a basket so the oils can be drained out. Okay, once the tamarind sauce kind of thicken a little bit, we are going to turn off and then let it cool down, because once it cool down, the sauce become more thicker. Then we are going to slice some of the shallots and chop up the garlic, and we are going to fry this. We are going to fry the garlic and the shallots until it turns golden brown, and once that's done, we're going to pour this into the tamarind sauce. I also like to add some of the fresh shallots and garlic as well, so you have two combination of the fried shallots and garlic, and at the same time you have the fresh. It's just added a little more flavor and texture to the sauce. And I like mine with a lot of chili pepper. Thank you everybody for watching my video on how to make this delicious sweet and sour tamarind dipping sauce. We normally eat this with fried fish or grilled fish with a side dish of vegetable. And we normally use lettuce, but I happen to have cabbage, and it's actually go very well with the fish. It gives it a nice crunch. So after this, you will see a little clip of my family eating dinner and what the kids did after we eat. Again, thank you for watching, and if you like more of this kind of video, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you want notification on my upcoming videos. Until then, thank you, take care, and bye-bye. More?
A little bit.
Okay.
Huh?
That's a lot of cucumber, huh?
Yeah, show it off. I show it off. One.
Hey, you gotta do a... Got the young line. Oh my God. What are you doing? Just running around? Yeah.
I want fish. Oh, wet now.
Oh, I told you not to help. You still want to help or stop? You should. I think you should stop. You just take a shower. Now you got it's so wet. Come on, Kathy. I think you should stop, baby. Now, Julie, con. Angia, your sister's right here. Bite ball, yeah.
Are you sure about that?
The color look very nice. Good job, guys.